Hello, my name is Anastasia Barkova, and today we will make a picture composition in the fields. You can see flowers and insects. So to make this composition, you will need a carton, the background of the picture, a background, rectangle. Next, plasticine, a stick, and maple seeds. From your herbarium. Well, to make a flower, you will need to roll a coil and put it on the background, and to roll a ball, put it on the background and press. Make a leaf shape from plasticine, a leaf shape. And this pretty detail, you pick up maple seed and fix it to the pressed ball. Fix it around, like that. Do the same with this flower. Pick up a maple seed and fix it around. Fix up. So your flowers are ready. Now to make an insect, a butterfly, you roll balls, a big ball, a mid-sized ball, a small ball, and 2 short coils. Next, you pick up the maple seeds, and fix it to the mid-sized ball. 2 maple seeds face to each other, face to face, like that. So this maple seed is not good. You can use a stick. So 2 maple seeds face to face, not like that, face to face. So fix it to the body of an insect or the butterfly. So your butterfly is ready. To make a bee, you will need again a big ball, a mid-sized ball, and a small ball. And again, to make wings, maple seeds. Fix it to the big ball. You can see it is pressed like that. And the last, the dragonfly, a long coil, a mid-sized ball, and 2 smaller balls to make eyes. Well, and again, to make wings, use maple seeds. Like that. Fix it to the body of a dragonfly. So your picture is ready. Thanks for watching and see you. Bye.